Tuesday's trading summary. Just 2 trades yielding a turnover of $105. It's a new low for the bourse, ranked as the top stock market on the continent just 3 years ago, but now it's worst performing. Despite Wednesday's reprieve, the future is ominous.
We expect this Zimbabwe Stock Exchange to have daily turnovers of above $1.5 million, which has been the trend in the past few years. But this year, in the past 20 trading days, we have seen that turnovers have been low, below $200,000, which is something that we do not expect from a market like ours. Besides, if you look at today's turnover, only 3 counters traded, and 78,000 worth of shares were bought in Delta. There was also about $76,000 worth of shares that were bought in National Foods.
The Zimbabwe Stock Exchange has been rapidly sliding. Its industrial index shed off 47% in the first half of the year. Market capitalization has been eroded by $300 million. Foreign buyers, the mainstay of the exchange, accounting for more than 80% of trades, have cut their spend from $71 million in the first 6 months of last year to $40 million in 2016. The slump is symptomatic of waning investor sentiment as the economy declines. Bellwether stocks are reeling. Beverage maker Delta has seen revenue shrink by 11% for the first half of the year. OK Zimbabwe, the biggest supermarket chain, reported a 90% drop in profit last year, and the largest mobile operator, Econet Wireless, has suffered a 42% knock on its profit for the 2015-2016 financial year.
With the operating environment set to get even more difficult in the second half of this year, it will be increasingly difficult to find any bulls willing to take a gamble on Zimbabwe.
Investors have been waiting for this country to rebound. They've been waiting for these companies to perform to their expectations. But there are so many headwinds that are preventing companies that are well managed, well capitalized, such as Delta, such as BAT. They are being hindered by other factors that have got nothing to do with how they are being run. I don't think at the moment we are going to see a proper recovery of the stocks that are listed on the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange.
Bracing for the tough times, the stock exchange has retrenched and is planning more cuts. Stockbrokers are feeding off the scraps for their commissions, and some are battling to stay afloat. Farai Mwakutuya, CCTV, Harare, Zimbabwe.